Okay, so I'm going to be talking briefly about a product known as Clean Slate. The CEO of Clean Slate is a chap called Clayton Thomas. He's no stranger to lawsuits, and in fact, spent a little time in jail over a recent one. But I don't really want to get too much into his qualifications and who he is. I want to concentrate on the product. So Clean Slate, it says here that give toxins a heave-ho. Route to Clean Slate uses zeolite, nature's best detoxifying mineral. And it goes on to say a little bit more about that fact. And if you scroll down, you come to, here you go, the ingredients of this clinoptilolite. There you go, making it a little bit bigger for you. So we're looking at the ingredients right there. So the ingredients, according to the website here, are water, right here. It's the prime ingredient. Okay, fair enough. Sea salt, so we've got salt water as the prime ingredient. Vitamin C, silicon dioxide, preservative, doesn't say what preservative, and potassium sorbate. Now you may have noticed that there's no clinoptilolite zeolite listed in their clinoptilolite zeolite product, which is rather bizarre, and one of the reasons that I made this video, because I thought there was a good chance that they would remove that, which indeed they have. But anyway, so that is the ingredients on their website as of, that was a couple of days ago when I did this. It's now the 30th of June 2021. So this was about 3 days ago when I did this. It's now disappeared from their website, this ingredient list. But anyway, that was what they were claiming the ingredients were just a few days ago. Now, going back a year, this was what they were claiming was the ingredients. Back then, they said it was clinoptilolite zeolite, 300 mcg of that. And then the other ingredients were water, potassium sorbate, and ascorbic acid. Ascorbic acid is usually a synthetic vitamin C. They've changed the wording on the one that was last week to vitamin C, which sounds more natural but might not be. So potassium sorbate, don't know if that's something you want in your body, and that was about a year ago when that was being listed as the ingredient. Now let's see if I can make this a bit smaller. So now, or at least on the website 3 days ago, that was what I just showed you. So now it's water, sea salt, vitamin C. They've added silicon dioxide. Still, but now clinoptilolite is vanished from the ingredients. Preservative and potassium sorbate. That's what they were showing 3 days ago. Just a little point on silicon dioxide. Let me just try and make this. There you go. So European Food Safety Authority cannot give food additive silicon dioxide the safety all clear because it may contain nano-sized particles, and reserves the commission to change the specifications. Okay, and they go on to say since no long-term study with nano silicon dioxide has been conducted, they couldn't give it safety all clear. And yet that's their ingredient rather than clinoptilolite zeolite, according to what they're saying on their website up to a few days ago, with the ingredients on their actual site. This is their site today. A few days later, today on the 30th of June. So now we've got this. So if you look there, you'll see absolutely nothing on ingredients, and I've hunted all through the website. I can find nothing at all on ingredients. However, in frequently asked questions, what is the zeolite clinoptilolite? What is the zeolite clinoptilolite in Clean Slate? That seems a rather peculiar way of wording that. What is the zeolite in Clean Slate? Would have been a better way of wording that. What is the zeolite? And it answers clinoptilolite in Clean Slate. So it says a little jargon on that, but it says Clean Slate is a solution of nanotized clinoptilolite fragments using a patent pending proprietary process. Okay, so what they're saying right here is that Clean Slate is clinoptilolite. However, a couple of days ago, it's nowhere to be seen on the ingredients, and on this site right now, they've removed it altogether, any sign of ingredients. So it's anyone's guess. The previous, a year ago, it said clinoptilolite. A week ago, it didn't. Now it's gone altogether, but in the frequently asked questions, it's saying it's clinoptilolite. It says it's nano-sized, which we've just seen doesn't pass safety standards. No, correct. That wasn't talking about clinoptilolite. That was talking about silicon dioxide. I stand corrected on that. But this is just very, very weird. Having a product like this and not having ingredients. Trying to find it again. Here it is. Clean Slate. Not having the ingredients. And even if it did have the ingredients, if there was clinoptilolite in there, you'd need to know the size, because that's really important, because the smaller the size, the more powerful it is. They don't have the size. They don't have what's in it. It's a product with no ingredients. And then it keeps changing. So I really don't know. It's not a product that I would feel confident in taking, that's for sure. You decide for yourself if it's something that you would maybe want to put in your body. I don't know. I would suggest PBX, nano-zeolite. That's got all the track record, the lab reports, the evidence behind it. That would be what I would use. But you make your own decision. Have a good day.